Hello friends, today we discuss about transfer in inventory module. So if you want to move products from one location to another location, then you can create a transfer. So under the operation tab, you can see a transfers. So from here you can see the many transfers are already created. So by clicking on create button, you can create a new transfer. So let's create one transfer. From here you can add your contact, then operation type. So basically there are five operation types: receipt, internal transfers, delivery orders, manufacture and POS order. So I create one internal transfer. So here you can see the two tabs: source location and destination location. So I set source location as WH stock and destination location as shelf 2. So in this transfer, the products are taken from WH stock and send them into the shelf 2. So from here you can also set your schedule date for transfer. Then you can also attach your source documents. Then under the operation tabs you can add your products. So I add product as book, and then transfer demand set as 10. And under the additional info you can see shipping information. So from here you can add your carrier, tracking reference, or weight for shipping. And then in other information you can see the shipping policy. So there are basically two type of shipping policy: as soon as possible and when all products are ready. So I set as soon as possible. Then you can add responsible person for your transfer, and then you can also add a company. So let's save this transfer and mark as to do. From here you can also check your availability. Let's check. Here you can see the 10 units are available. Then let's validate. So here you can see your transfer is now in done state. So let's go to the overview. And here you can see your internal transfer. You can see your transfer WH stock to WH shelf to 10 quantity in done state. So this is all about transfer in Odoo 14.